Good morning, children. Today we'll be doing some Christmas activity. So today I'll teach you this cute little Christmas tree. Okay, so let's start. First I tell you what material we'll be needing for this. Beta, we'll be needing pastel sheet, glue, scissors, stapler, okay, and some golden or some different colors glitter paper. Okay, so let's start. So first I'll start with this tree. So for this, what you have to do, you have to take A4 size pastel sheet, little sturdy, and then you have to fold it like this. You know no fan folding? This is fan folding. One side up and one side down. Okay, you have to make good crease. Press them nicely. Like this you have to press. Okay, see, it's looking like a fan. So you have to press this, and then what we'll do, we'll use this stapler to punch this. Okay, so now my tree is ready. See, my tree is ready. Now what I'll do, this is 1, 2, and this is the center. So you have to take the center and you have to cut like this. See, like this from the center. And what we'll do, we'll put a trunk. You have to cut this with brown paper and put this inside like this. So maybe you can put some glue. And then put this inside. See, like this. Okay, now what we'll do, now beta, you have to cut one star. So here I have taken this golden paper. See, here I have taken golden paper. With this golden paper, this is a glittery sheet. This is very easily available. So what you have to do, first you have to draw one star like this, and then put some glue over here, and see, so after putting glue, to paste this star like this. Okay, and then here we'll put some ornaments. So like this. Different color glitter papers you can use for these. Okay, you just have to put one drop of glue. And then leave it for drying. See, now Christmas tree is ready. Okay, understood? Okay, thank you children. God bless you. Bye-bye.